Ever wondered how the most successful people seem to get so much done in a day? It's all about effective time management. Welcome to today's topic, time management strategies for personal growth. Firstly, understanding why time management is critical for personal growth is essential. Efficient time management allows you to prioritize your day effectively, focusing on what truly matters. It creates the space for personal development, learning, and the pursuit of your passions. Before we dive into the techniques, let's take a moment to understand the importance of time management for personal growth. Time is a finite resource, and how we use it determines our level of success and fulfillment. Effective time management allows us to balance our work, personal development, and leisure, leading to a more harmonious and productive life. When we manage our time wisely, we're not just being efficient, we're also creating opportunities for continuous learning and self-improvement. This gives us the ability to focus more on our personal and professional goals, making every moment count. Remember, time management is not about being busy all the time. It's about being productive and, more importantly, being fulfilled. In the next scene, we will delve into some effective time management techniques that can help you achieve this balance and growth. Now, on to some powerful techniques for effective time management. Consider the Pomodoro technique. This involves working in focused 25-minute intervals with short breaks. It's a proven method to maintain productivity and prevent burnout. Next is time blocking. This requires scheduling your day into blocks of time, each dedicated to a specific task. It's a fantastic way to stay organized and keep distractions at bay. The Eisenhower Matrix, a prioritization method, can also be beneficial. This technique involves identifying tasks based on their urgency and importance, helping you focus on the activities that contribute most to your growth. And don't forget the 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes to complete, do it right away. This prevents tasks from accumulating and saves you time in the long run. In this digital age, numerous tools and apps can assist with time management. Todoist, for instance, enables you to create to-do lists, set deadlines, and categorize tasks. Trello visually organizes tasks and projects, making it easier to track progress. Google Calendar can help you plan your day with calendar entries and reminders, while Forest encourages discipline by growing a virtual forest during focus sessions. Remember, effective time management directly impacts personal growth. When you manage your time wisely, you can focus on acquiring new skills, completing essential projects, and achieving your goals. It also allows for self-care and personal interests, integral for a balanced life. Finally, here are some tips to help you stay on track. Start each day with a clear plan of what you want to accomplish. Eliminate distractions, and remember, a tidy workspace can improve focus. Regular breaks are necessary to avoid burnout and boost creativity. And always review and adjust your schedule to stay aligned with your goals. Effective time management is a journey, but it's one that's essential for personal growth. Give these strategies and tools a try and find what works best for you. If you found this video helpful, show your support by liking, subscribing, and sharing it with someone looking to grow personally and professionally. Thanks for watching, and remember, keep rising and achieving.